In Python 3.4, what is best/easiest way to compare paths? Using this code in Python 3.4 and Ubuntu 14.04 do not return true. But normally /tmp and /tmp/./tmp are the same folder. So how to ensure that the comparisons return true?
To compare, you should resolve the paths first, or you can also use os.path.same file. Example. By the way, path 1 is path 2 checks if path 1 is the same object as path 2 rather than comparing actual paths.
For anyone using a newer Python version than op, starting with Python 3.5, you can also use path1.same file path2, see documentation.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.